It's all taken care of, boss. We're ready for the heist.
We'll see, Bugsy. You sure you know what you're doing?
Sure, boss, sure. We put the laxatives in the security guard's coffee, and then we go in the back here, and Quicksilver cracks the safe while I...
No, you fool. Quicksilver clears out the teller's desks. You crack the safe.
Oh, gee. Boss, I can't remember how to crack a safe.
What did I do to deserve these dummies?
But boss, we haven't been through the plan in a week.
No excuses. No wonder we can never get a job off the ground. Nobody remembers anything. It's just in one ear, out the other with you clowns.
Were we expecting guests, boss? You're just an idiot. Just go in. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Psst. What's good in the hood?
Who the devil are you?
Roundtree's the name. Ray Roundtree. Skills coach. No job too big. No problem too small.
Yeah, well, there's no business for you here, guys, so excuse me.
Of course there is. I'm here to help you with your job.
My job?
Sure. You guys are never going to be able to pull off that bank heist if you keep forgetting all the instructions, are you? I'm here to bust your memory difficulties.
Get inside.
Ah!
So, we've got a rat in the house. Think you're pretty clever. Tell me, who are you going to squeal to?
Guys, you got it all wrong. Rats don't squeal, they squeak.
Give me one good reason why I shouldn't just waste you right now, rat boy.
Well, because it's very impolite to turn away help. My skill senses are telling me that you two need to brush up on your learning tools and improve your memories if you want your heist to be a success.
Wait. Hear him out. I want to find out what he knows.
Great. Well, first of all, your board is a mess. A graphic organizer would be much more efficient. With arrows, they demonstrate the relationship between facts, concepts, or ideas. They'll help structure your plans and guide your thinking on the topics you're learning.
Show me.
I'd also consider using fishbone structures. With these, you can visually map out the cause and effect of variables to your plan, like alarms, additional security guards, and the possible use of explosives. You'll end up with a diagram listing both cause and effect. Very handy for considering the unpredictable.
Maybe not all the guards might drink the coffee.
Hey, now you're getting it. I'd also recommend using mnemonic devices, like acrostics to remember passcodes, or acronyms to remember long lists of information or instructions. Or even just little rhymes or made-up song lyrics to help you remember anything at all.
This is all very cute, rat.
It's Ray.
But it's too late for you to try and help us out. I'm afraid I'm just not sold on your intentions here.
Yeah. He came in with a camera before. Who knows what he's planning?
So I'm afraid there's just no way we can let you walk out of here. Grease the sucker.
All right, I'll spill. There's one thing I left out.
Oh?
And that is that improving your memory with information association and review is a clear way to go.
Ugh.
No, seriously, guys, you can break the information down into smaller, more manageable chunks and associate the new information with things you already know. Plus, it's best to review everything you've learned within 24 hours, rather than taking a week like you guys did. Plus, I found that these tips were essential to my world record-breaking attempt to recite the most world record attempts in one sitting.
Longest foot.
I've heard everything I need to hear. 86 this grease ball.
You mean you guys aren't going to take any of my pointers?
I don't think so, buddy. Nobody messes with me. Do you know what they say about the black cat?
That her study skills could use a definite brushing up?
Oh, only that the black cat is the best shot and fastest draw in town.
Oh, it seems your plan was different than I thought. I didn't realise you were going to shoot the money out of the bank.
You know what? We're going to deal with you after the heist. That way the last thing you see before we rub you out is how useless your lousy study skills are.
And now to breaking news. Local crime lynchpin Black Cat and her associates have been apprehended by police during a daring daylight bank robbery. Police say that if the criminals had used graphic organisers to structure their plans or fishbone structures to consider variables, their scheme may have stood a better chance. However, their failure to use mnemonic devices such as acronyms to remember complicated instructions, acrostics to remember long phrases or technical data, and rhymes or song lyrics for other information resulted in the total arrest of the entire Shock gang. In a statement released just moments ago, Police Chief Armitage said that had the criminals broken their information into smaller chunks, associated new information with things already learned, and reviewed everything studied within 24 hours, they might have stood a better chance with law enforcement. In other news, multiple world record holder Ray Roundtree is still missing.
Well, guys, once I break free of these chains, I'll be back on the road helping the friendly public. It's a pity. They went down an unfortunate path, and look where they landed. They had all the study skills information they needed right here. If only they'd listened.